Once there was an emperor in China who ruled over a great, majestic land, as far and wide as the eye could see. All was in his royal command. One twilight evening, as he went strolling through his lush and verdant garden park, he heard a melody ringing sweet and clear. It almost stopped the beating of his heart. A tiny nightingale perched high above him, nestled in a mulberry tree, evoking life's deep mysteries, as she sang tales of all that is, has been, and what might be. He sought at once this treasure to claim, and had her captured in a cage. No matter what he did, silent she remained. The mighty emperor was filled with rage. Eventually, so awful was his pain, he saw the error of his ways. A dying songbird and a cold, empty heart weighed so heavily on all of his days. He set her free to roam the vast horizon and gather stories for her precious song. Each night she sits by his window ledge, singing out her notes pure and strong. I am but a child of the heavens, and you a practiced master of control. We need the flow of spirit to stay alive. Fear's iron grip makes a prisoner of the soul. A nightingale cannot be a possession. Herein lies a secret to love. Keep your will